Welcome friends. In today's session we are going to see deep learning and reinforcement learning second program. The problem statement is write a program to demonstrate the working of deep neural networks for classification task. Let's open VTU circle. Click on laboratory 2022 scheme, 7th semester, deep learning and RL lab. Program number 2. Click here. We need here pip install torch and scikit-learn module. So just let open our command prompt, then just type pip install torch. This must be already satisfied as we have installed in our first program. Then now pip install scikit-learn. Enter. You can see here it is downloading. As it is downloading, let's see the code. Here we are importing torch module, then torch.neural network, then torch.optim. Dataset we are using here load iris, and sklearn module we are using. First step is to load the dataset. Then in load dataset we are normalizing the features, then converting to the torch tensors. Then second step is define deep neural network, defining a deep neural network class with define functions. Then step 3 is initialize the module. Step in initialize the module we have loss and optimizer. Then step 4 training the model. Then step 5 evaluation. So here final result we are going to print accuracy of the classification accuracy on the data. So here as our program has been installed with the module, that is module is installed. So let's open IDLE. Click on file, new file, then just close this one, then just I'm splitting it, and then just copy this code, paste it here, then just save. To save, just shortcut key is Ctrl S. Then under DLN, okay, here I am saving it as DL2. Save. Just click on run module, and it will run the output. We must get the output similar to this. Here the loss count of the model may be changing, but accuracy, final accuracy must be same. The loss of this depends upon your model training and as well as your processors, the time consumed to deliver the data or analyze the data. So the loss might be different. So your output is successfully done. So this was our second program. Thank you for watching.